Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So here you can see Safari cannot open the page because your iPhone is not connected to the internet. So how you can fix it? So for fixing it, first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find Wi-Fi, just turn it off and turn on again. Also you can try to turn off mobile data and turn on again. And if it doesn't help you, just try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after, just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just check updates for your iPhone. So just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find general. In the general just open software update and wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.